everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about some Davorcoin. That's right, cat, Davorcoin. If you've never heard of Davorcoin, you probably will soon. It's gaining in popularity. It's the newest crypto lending platform. Does that sound familiar to you? Should, because BitConnect was a lending platform. Totally not a scam though. The idea is that you invest a certain amount of Bitcoin or altcoin in, and after a certain period of time you get a bunch of money. They say, you know, the plans are whatever, 1% a day, guaranteed ROI. In fact, they say you get a 48% return, up to 48% return monthly. Now, how is that sustainable? You don't need to ask questions, it's the crypto market. Below you'll see my referral ID. Go ahead and use that referral ID if you're going to start using some Davorcoin. You basically invest the coin and get some guaranteed ROI. The more you put in, the more you're going to lose at the end. Oh, I'm sorry. The more that you're going to gain. You're going to get a whole lot of gains, some good quality crypto gains, the more that you put in. And they're definitely not going to exit scam, you know, just like BitConnect did. So if you haven't already understood, it's a Ponzi scheme. It's a pyramid scheme. Basically, the idea is the people who got in early, the people right here, then get a couple more people down here, one layer below them, and those people in this layer then recruit more people. So we have this kind of triangle shape, otherwise known as a pyramid scheme, Ponzi scheme. It's kind of like that. Basically, that's the way it works. So some actual red flags are, the up to 48% monthly returns. Literally, how is that sustainable? Where are those returns coming from? And how do they, guarantee you daily, ROI payments? Sure, it works now, but will it work in a month or two? No. Actually, probably will work in a month or two, but will it work in the long run? No, it's not. It's just not sustainable. The money just doesn't come out of thin air. They're not currently filed with the SEC. The founders of the coin are pretty anonymous. They don't want to actually show their identities, which is kind of scary. You don't know who these people are. They can just disappear and ghost and leave and take all your money. Basically following in footsteps of BitConnect. Some other things are they have these like special rewards for YouTubers like Craig Grant or Trayvon James, the people who shilled BitConnect like crazy. They get them their special rewards, probably some kind of extra incentive bonus, or maybe they get like insider information. They'll tell you a week before when they're gonna exit scam, so that they'll they'll have time to take their money out and not lose their asses. So basically, Ponzi scheme, lots of them are gonna show up. All you stupid idiots that are investing in Davorcoin really fucking walking the edge here. They could exit scam tomorrow. They're kind of still small, so they're probably going to wait a little while, accrue some capital. Kind of like how BitConnect was at $2.5 billion and then poof, they left. The token and the entire platform really has no real world application outside of scamming you. There are lending programs like Salt. You've probably heard of Salt. It's pretty popular. It's a crypto lending platform that's pretty legitimate, or they're trying to be legitimate, but they're generally pretty transparent. But you might as well invest in something like Bucks. You should see an ad somewhere here. This is a great new coin that's coming out. It's pre-ICO, so if you want to join in, that'd be great. You'll see it's tied directly to the K's net worth. But the idea of, it doesn't need the coins. Like the other day I saw an ICO coin. I think it's called ECC or something around like that. And basically the idea is it's a coin focused on flight training safety on small islands or something. I didn't look into it because it was immediately stupid. Why do you need an ICO for that? Why do you need a coin for that? Why does it need to be on the blockchain? And why do I care? How many deaths really could training flight programs have per year? You know, it's got to be maybe a dozen. But guys, it's dangerous out there. You know, I say it in all my videos. You need to do your own research. I would, you know, not take this video and then never invest in Davorcoin. Maybe you want to invest in Davorcoin. Maybe you look into it and you saw a guy posting articles that says, hey man, I'm making $30 payouts per day and you want to get started. Go right ahead. Use my referral code. Again, it's shown here or somewhere. Use that referral code and you'll get an extra 1% per day for a week. So, you know, that's some good quality gains, some good quality payout. But no, really guys, it's all a scam. All these lending platforms, unless they're actually trying to be legitimate, something like Salt or GVT or something. GVT is not a lending platform, I'm sorry. But do your research. You know, don't try to get rich quick. I know the crypto market's grown like crazy, but you know, a lot of this stuff, like I've talked about before, it's going to take a long time to become mainstream and to actually have some value. So do the research. It'll be worth it to you. And remember, Bucks is coming out pre-ICO. You can get 20% extra tokens if you register and sign up for the email notification or whatever. Join us on Slack or visit the subreddit, you know, stuff like that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Yeah.